Hey everybody, this is Seraphim and welcome to my YouTube channel. This week I decided to do kind of like a little bit of a vlog style video, mostly because I wanted to show a little bit of the things that I'm up to. Yeah, I wanted to do a vlog because I thought it would be fun to do something that's a little bit more cozy and comfy. So this week I did a couple different things. I ate a lot of delicious food. These are some of the things that I had. So this week I have been watching the anime Jellyfish Can't Swim in the Night. It is so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Like, I literally love the characters so much. How are they so cute? So cute. Like, it makes my heart so happy. These girls are precious. Like, my favorite character in Jellyfish Can't Swim in the Night is May. I love a good obsessive character. Like, maybe because I'm a little obsessive, I don't know, but I'm just like, she's so like fully dedicated to supporting Kano, and I think that's adorable. I love that kind of character that's just like fully puts their heart into something and is maybe a little bit over extreme. Like, I think that over extremeness is very endearing and also kind of comical. Like, I like to laugh. I like to laugh at that kind of character. I think the Jelly character is really cute too. I really would love to cosplay her. She's so adorable with her little like beret and everything like that. Like, too precious. Like, so cute. I'm also trying to read Your Lie in April. I know it's sad, so I have been forewarned. I've known this for a long time, but I've actually never gotten around to reading it or watching it. So this week I actually went to the library. I picked up the books, the full series, and I'm going to read it all and essentially make it so that I've actually, like, you know, spent some time on the series and enjoyed it, because it's been on my list for a really long time. What else? Oh yeah, so I actually went to a fitness class with my sister-in-law, and it was a lot of fun. Like, it was really fun. It was awesome to get moving, do something with her, because she's awesome. And if she's listening to this, oh my gosh, hi. I love you. You're amazing. And yeah, I had a really good time. I also actually helped with moving. So she's moving into a new place, and that was one thing that I did today. I helped move, and that was really fun. I love lifting things, actually. I may not look like it, but weightlifting is actually like something that I enjoy, and I've been taking my fitness a lot more seriously this year. Without getting too emotional or deep about it, it's because I want to be somebody who can be relied on, because I've been in a lot of emergency situations, and so I want to be strong enough, you know, for anything that happens. What else? I hope I'm not boring to listen to. It'll be so much easier when I'm actually just like doing videos. I also baked a cake. This was supposed to be a sponge cake. I promise you it was. I am so bad at following instructions. Like, it's actually not even funny. And it was really hard to kind of film while I was like making this cake. And so I'm like, oh, baking powder, baking soda. Oh no, I'm supposed to whip the eggs with like a hand mixer. And I have a secret, and by secret I mean I'm going to tell all of you, because I can't keep a secret. I am such a messy person. Like, I am not a follow the instructions kind of person. I am not a do this perfectly polished glam girl. Like, everything is a farce. The cake is a lie. I am a messy person. I'm chaotic, and I just got this whole cake wrong, and I'm embarrassed to say, like, I didn't even mean to mess it up, and I just did mess it up. One time I made like a matcha cheesecake, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited, I made this matcha cheesecake, check it out, and I dropped it down the stairs. I'm so I'm not even joking. I dropped it down the stairs, and it like smashed everywhere. So it was just cheesecake on the floor, this green cheesecake. And I just remember sitting on the stairs being so sad and being like, oh no, I failed. I've done it. And I laugh at it now, because I think that wraps up who, you know, I am, and I'm apologetic, because this is what you get. This is who I am. But yeah, I didn't mean to mess this cake up so bad, but you know what? It actually turned out okay. And I think that's the moral of the story. That's the moral of life. You know what I mean? You're meant to whip the eggs. You're meant to put less baking soda in, but somehow it just turns out okay. Maybe it's not as perfect as it was meant to be, but heck, it still tastes delicious, and I'm putting chocolate on it because chocolate makes everything better, and so does whipped cream. And look how cute it is, and no one needs to know, except for all of you, that it wasn't how it was meant to be. But it's adorable, and I'm very, very happy with it. This is my little apron. I think it's so cute. This is actually a cosplay apron, but I'm just wearing it to cook because I want to feel like a little kitchen princess. Talking about kitchen princess, ha ha ha, nice segue. I'm proud of you. Pat yourself on the back. Anyway, frig. Literally, I made this cookbook, and this cookbook contains all of the recipes that I know are good and that I know taste good. And so nothing gets in this book unless I know it tastes good, and I know that it's kind of like a no-fail recipe book. Yeah, so I made this cookbook to essentially look like Kitchen Princess, like the first volume of Kitchen Princess, because I love that manga. Like, that manga lives in my brain rent-free. I think there's something so cool and so cute about literally having a manga that has the plot, sure, like the main storyline, but then having like little recipes at the end of every volume. Like, that is ingenious. That is amazing. And Kitchen Princess has this one recipe that was like rainbow jelly, and I made that like years ago, and it was delicious. It was the cutest thing ever. And yeah, I just love that manga, and this was like my small way of kind of like honoring that manga. I'll just talk about how I'm feeling, because I think that's the best way to even describe this vlog or even anything at all. And what I've been feeling lately is mostly that it's funny how people think about achieving happiness and how it's something that is concrete, and if you feel like you can achieve it, as if you can buy a car or, get a good grade. I don't think happiness is like that, because happiness is actually more about a feeling, and it's more about how you feel in a moment rather than something that you can actually achieve. And I keep reminding myself this because one of my big goals in life was to always be happy, and I kept wondering, I'm like, what does that even mean? What does it even really mean to be happy? And it is a feeling that you feel in a moment. And I think rather than focusing on being happy or trying to achieve happiness, focus on building a really good relationship with yourself, and focus on building a really good relationship with the people in your life. Because when you do have hard times, which you inevitably will, same as me, we all do, at least during the times that are difficult, we have ourselves to kind of pick ourselves up, or we have friends to help support us. And that way the times that are tough are a little less tough. And the times that we feel like we can't be self-compassionate or we can't love ourselves, at least the people in our life can help remind us how to love ourselves again, or even just take that pain away for a little while until we feel a little different, I feel like I'm going to be rambling a lot in all of my videos. I'm so sorry. This is how I think. This is how I talk all the time. Like, Lizzie McGuire kind of ruined the way that I think, because I always imagine like a little seraphim, and she's always talking to me, and I'm kind of talking to her, and she's like, hey, get up, get dressed. You have to keep doing your best. Try your best today. And I kind of talk to myself in a strange way, but it kind of helps me. I kind of think of my consciousness as like a small little chibi version of myself that's speaking to me. Please tell me if anyone else feels this way, and maybe that's super bizarre. I don't know. But in the exact opposite way, like whenever I'm being hard on myself, I always say, that's not me, that's doppelganger me. So whenever I'm being negative, like, oh, I don't look good today, I'm not feeling good, you're not actually good at this, all this negative self-talk, and I'll talk to myself negatively now and again, and I'll get in this loop of that. And then what I've learned that's really helped me is to just stop listening to that voice and just identifying it, more or less. you identify that negative voice in your head that's saying, hey, I'm not good enough, I'm not far enough in life, I'm not, where I want to be, I'm not cute, I'm actually, just a little grub, I'm a little worm. No, that's not true. Everyone's a little worm, we're all just trying our best, and we're just trying to, do our best. But whenever I catch myself in that negative self-talk, I identify it and I say, that's my doppelganger. And what does that mean by me saying that's my doppelganger? I'm essentially giving it a name to take away its power. And I'm saying, I don't look good today. No, that's what the doppelganger is going to say. And the best way I can describe this and the best way I can think about this is literally like, if there's any Legend of Zelda fans out there, like think of like Shadow Link, or like think of like your shadow self, like this negative side of you that is literally your enemy. Like it is trying to attack you. It is against you. It's not, your true self. As if like your negative emotions have become something and it's trying to, bring you down. And so it just helps me to, when I catch myself thinking, be like, thanks, doppelganger. Thanks for telling me that. Thank you for that information, but it's not true and I'm not going to listen to it. That is my advice for the week. If you ever catch yourself being negative to yourself this week at all, just say, thank you, doppelganger. I'm not listening to you. And keep on going. Pick yourself up, because you are so much more awesome than you believe yourself to be. And if you can view yourself the way that other people view you, you will be so much happier. Like, if I viewed myself the way other people view me, I probably wouldn't say half of the things to myself that I do. And that's kind of heartbreaking, right? Like, that makes me sad. Kindness can change everything. And the kinder you are to yourself, the more you'll thrive in every part of your life. And I'm not saying it's easy. In fact, I'm actually saying it's the exact opposite. I think that being kind to yourself is a lifelong journey. And I just really want to encourage you to do your best at that. And also know that you're not alone. I believe in you, and I am really rooting for you. This is just a little bit of warning for anyone who's scared of spiders. There's going to be a tiny little cute jumping spider on screen. I saved this little dude from the house. He did not belong in the house, but he was very cute, and he's jumping to freedom. You can see him jump. Jump, jump, jump. So cute. I also wanted to show everybody this thing that I got for my birthday, which was in May. It was essentially the Cardcaptor Sakura Cloud Wand, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm literally like, it's so cool that I got this. I found this at like GameStop, and it was literally like $29.99, and I'm like, you're joking, right? Like this is $30? Like what? Huh? How? And obviously I immediately bought it. I was so excited. I actually spent my birthday money on it. I snatched it up. I had to, and I'm still kind of in awe that this was there. I had no sweet clue. I haven't really been keeping up with any like anime item boards, any like anime update blogs, whatever, blah blah blah, websites. Like I try not to look for that stuff, because first of all, algorithms are very good at like giving me things that I want, and I don't want to spend more money. But I saw this at GameStop and I just snatched it up. I was so excited. But I wanted to compare it to my old Cardcaptor Sakura wand. This is one that I got basically when I was younger, so maybe when I was like 14 or whatever. I don't actually remember. But this wand obviously is a lot shorter. It has a red circle rather than the pink circle. It has a thicker base, and the old wand actually has like a little musical note. And so normally you would click it and it would say different things that Sakura says. And so, do you want, remember like when I was saying that I'm a mess? Yeah, back to that. So you click the little musical note and then it would make sounds that Sakura makes. She would basically say different things like, capture card, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm a bit of a mess. Yeah, I kind of did the dumb. And I guess after I cosplayed or something like that, I left the batteries in the wand. Do not do this. Literally, the batteries corroded and it ruined the wand. And it's not that obvious, but I'm definitely never gonna put batteries in this again. Like, it is damaged. But the nice thing is it still looks really cute, and so I'm going to leave it in its stand and its decoration. But yeah, if you have any electronics, any anime electronics or anything like that, I do warn you not to leave the batteries in the device, because this could happen to that. And it's very sad, because obviously this is probably I'm not really worried about the money or what it's worth, but obviously it has a lot of sentimental value, and so I am a little bit sad that it's damaged. I might paint over the part that's corroded or something like that. I haven't done it yet, but that might be in the future. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, and to be kind and to always be true to yourself.